Sometimes the best way to get your point across is to draw it. Fortunately, Office comes with many ready-made shapes to help you do just that. To draw a shape in Word, Excel, Outlook, or PowerPoint, select Insert Shapes. Select the shape you want to add, then click and drag to draw it. To create a perfect square or circle, press and hold the Shift key while you drag. To resize the shape, drag one of the control handles on the corners or sides. To rotate it, drag the rotation handle at the top. Some shapes have special yellow control handles. Drag these special handles to change other parts of your shape. For example, this shape has a yellow control handle that lets you snip off one of the corners. Finally, to add text to your shape, just select it and start typing. The text you add is now part of the shape, which means if you move the shape, the text moves with it. With Office, you have lots of ways to get your point across visually.